Good morning, sixth graders. Miss Power here to go over your lesson with you for today. So we're still working with the same big question that you started yesterday. How do modern versions of fairy tales compare to the original versions? So yesterday you read the new version of the Three Little Pigs. You thought about the version that you knew, and then you read the new version and compared it. Today you're going to do pretty much that same thing, but with Little Red Riding Hood. So before you even start today, I want you to think about the version of Little Red Riding Hood that you know. So take a minute. You can go ahead and pause me and think, what's the version of Little Red Riding Hood that I know? Welcome back. So hopefully you thought about the version where Little Red Riding Hood goes off to go to Grandma's house. She meets the big bad wolf on the way. The big bad wolf goes to Grandma's house, locks her in the cupboard, gets in the bed, and Little Red Riding Hood, though, gets saved, and so does Grandma, and the big bad wolf goes running away and is never seen again. So that's the version that I know. If you know a different version, think about that. And then I want you to click on your Actively Learn link to bring you to the article, the story, Little Red Riding Hood. And as you read, I want you thinking, what lessons can be learned from the story, Little Red Riding Hood? So what lessons can be learned? This is a different version than the one that you're used to. So after you finish reading, think about how it was similar and how it was different, and then what lesson did you actually learn from this one? And remember that fairy tales from long ago, the original versions, are often more grim and dark than the versions that are told today. So think about what this maybe less happy story of Little Red Riding Hood is trying to teach you. Please remember to be using the notes on the side here. They will be very helpful. And for your last written response question, make sure that you are writing complete sentences using that Grammarly extension to do that. And then that's the Actively Learn part of your lesson today. Then you're going to go back to your slideshow and you are going to listen to chapter 6. So you click on the speaker. There's your link for chapter 6. Click on here to do your 5-question multiple choice quiz. Make sure you hit submit and you are good for the day. Here's your checklist of what you needed to do today. And then today is National Rocky Road Day. So click on the image of the ice cream to learn more about it, what this day is all about, and then post in the stream what your favorite ice cream is, or post a picture of yourself eating a big ice cream cone. Hopefully the weather is nice enough that you'll want an ice cream cone today. So there you have it. There's your lesson for June 2nd. Thinking about that big question about how modern versions of fairy tales compare to the original ones. As always, if you have any questions, please just reach out to your teachers. That's what we're here for, to help you. Have a great